The paleo diet has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential benefits for weight loss. This diet encourages eating foods that our ancestors would have consumed during the Paleolithic era, such as lean meat, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while excluding processed foods, grains, legumes, and dairy products. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, the paleo diet can help promote weight loss. The removal of processed foods eliminates added sugars, unhealthy fats, and calorie-dense snacks, which often contribute to weight gain. Additionally, the higher protein and fiber content in the paleo diet can increase satiety and reduce overall calorie intake. This diet also emphasizes lean proteins, which require more energy to digest, leading to a boost in metabolism. Furthermore, the elimination of grains and processed carbohydrates can stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, and sustainable weight loss should also incorporate regular exercise and balanced nutrition.